Hey guys, welcome to Computer Party. I'm Akhilesh. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about Pi network. In these days, we all getting a forward message related to Pi network. Actually, what is this? So, Pi is a cryptocurrency which is not yet listed. So, not yet listed in the sense this is not listed in the crypto market. So, we are not able to trade it now. So when we see this, what thought comes to our mind is whether this is a genuine thing or a fake or a scam. So when I look into their website, it doesn't feel like any scam, and at the same time, uh, it is not sure that whether this cryptocurrency is going to list or not. Like in stock market, how the things happen, like whether a company wanted to list their shares in the market, so they go through a process like IPO or something like that. So in the same way, in the crypto market, there is a procedure to list any cryptocurrency. So if this cryptocurrency lists, then only it will be a useful thing, or we can earn some money from that. So there was a news that they were trying to list that on 2019 maybe. So that time it was not happened, or this Pi network has not listed. The entire concept is like this. We need to install this application which is available in Play Store also. So we just need to install the application. We have to create an account, and in every 24 hour we can mine the coins. I mean, we can earn the Pi coins in our mobile phone only. Just in 24 hours, in every 24 hours, we need to open the application and we need to mine it. When this Pi network lists on the cryptocurrency market, what we can do is we can just sell it off, the coins which mined by us, and we can earn money. So this is the entire concept of Pi network. But for that, main thing is this Pi network should get listed. Nowadays what people do is they just send the forward message of Pi network, and they will just tell like install it, it is for free, and mine the coin, it is completely free. We all know that how valuable the data is. So what happens is, we know like in the previous days how many data breach cases had happened. So we must be sure that our data is safe. I'm not surely saying that they are going to sell our data or something like that, but we should be in conscious that our data is safe with this application. So what we can do is, if we are going to install this application, just make sure that you are not providing any unnecessary permission for the application, and also read the terms and conditions properly. So if anyone knows anything about Pi network, please comment below and comment the view about Pi network. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing my channel.